Hey guys, welcome to the Lock and Lock Clothing Lab. This is my first video and I will bring you the new designs in my brand. And today I will show you the new designs that Streetwear shirt. This is the blueprint and let's work together today and bring it to life. Let's go!
She said I ride for you, no. Stay inside your lane, she said I die for you. Okay, baby, I'm okay. I remember last December, none of these bitches were fucking with me. Now I'm the sinner, shit getting better. Every last one of them fucking for free. I never met her, but I got cheddar. You won't believe what she been telling me. Shorty gon' front like she been feeling me. Shit they be talking is
Fabricating is ready completed. Combination of two different materials. There were 3 water flow zippers with a longer one designed for the dual directional use. Let's bring it all together and finish the simple. Simple was finished. I will try it on.
She said I ride for you, no. Stay inside your lane, she said I die for you, oh no. Baby, I'm okay, I ain't got the time for you, oh no. Get up by my face, I ain't got the dime for you, oh no. Bitch, I'm getting paid, she said I ride for you, no. Stay inside your lane, she said I die for you. Baby, I'm okay, I'm good, love, enjoy.
Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will keep updating the video and see you next time. Goodbye.